Hello everyone, I'm Santosh Kumar and today I'm here to announce a very awaited program, the Mains Master Program for 2027. Now, between pre and mains, we run this program, but it's only of 2 months. Here, we have a 4-month program which will be more elaborate, covering more number of topics as we'll have more time. The idea behind this is we should be completely prepared for mains by the end of December. So, when we talk about complete preparation of mains by the end of December, what do we look for? Like, when can we say that we are completely prepared for mains? We will say that when for every bullet point of the syllabus, we have notes in the question answer format. This is one thing that we have to achieve. If by December आप syllabus का कोई भी point देखो, आपके पास question answer format में notes है, you are on the right track. From those notes, if you are able to answer all the relevant PYQs, especially from 2013, that will be another test. Now, this will be like academically, okay, you're done. But mains examination is also about writing a lot. And if you have not written enough answers, then you are not prepared. बस सब पढ़ लेने से preparation नहीं होती है. That is why another thing that will determine whether you are fully prepared for this exam by end of December would be if you have done enough answer writing practice and if you have written 10-15 tests in the exam environment. जब क्लास में 200 बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं उसमें 3 hours में when you have to complete a paper or 1.5 hour में when you have to complete half the paper, that is another thing that we look for. फिर you should have revised everything. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि सितंबर में you study something and by December you feel like पढ़ा तो है नोट्स भी हैं बट ना अभी याद नहीं है कुछ. If that happens, then again you're not prepared because you keep on reading books and you keep on forgetting what's there. So there should be effective revision plan also. And finally, with all these things, there should also be current affairs updates going on. अगर ये सारी चीजें होती है ना, तब हम बोलते हैं कि we are fully prepared for mains. And in MMP program, that's what we are targeting. क्या है MMP program? देखो, MMP में हम over the next 4 months till 31st December हम एक वीक में 6 classes लेंगे. These 6 classes will be of 2.5 hours each, 5:30 to 8, कभी का 5:30 to 8:30. Through this, we'll make sure that we have completed the entire syllabus for mains, including essay, in the question answer format. That's one commitment from our side. Second, you would be in a situation to answer almost all the relevant PYQs. ये प्रिपरेशन आपका गुड इनफ है या नहीं उसका एक इवैल्यूएशन क्या होता है इफ यू आर एबल टू आंसर PYQs. देन आपके पास सारे नोट्स होंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर फॉर्मेट में, आप PYQ लिख पा रहे हो. फिर वी ऑल्सो हैव टू एम्फेसाइज अ लॉट ऑन आंसर राइटिंग. तो एवरी वीक यू विल हैव 3 live answer writing session of 1 hour each. You'll write 4 answers in around 40 minutes and in 20 minutes we'll have live discussion on those answers. तो अदर देन क्लासेस एक वीक में 3 लाइव आंसर राइटिंग सेशंस भी आपके चल रहे होंगे. देन फॉर दोज ऑफ यू हु जॉइन द टेस्ट सीरीज कॉम्पोनेंट ऑल्सो, MMP प्रोग्राम के साथ एक टेस्ट सीरीज कॉम्पोनेंट भी है. तो यू कैन ज्वाइन जस्ट द MMP प्रोग्राम और यू कैन ज्वाइन MMP प्लस टेस्ट सीरीज. इफ यू ज्वाइन द टेस्ट सीरीज कॉम्पोनेंट ऑल्सो, what do you have? You have a test every Sunday till 31st December. So right from the first week of September, you will be writing either a 10 question test or a 20 question test every Sunday. And then by 31st December, you will be fully prepared. But in January, February, March, April, May, June, next year, some current affairs updates may occur. And you would want to cover those portions also. तो उसके लिए this time what we have done is, your course will get over on 31st December. Videos will be accessible to you till mains, but between pre and mains, हमारी current affairs advanced की classes होती है. We run a current affairs advanced component only for students who are writing mains, and we will be providing you that current affairs advanced course as a part of this program, as a part of MMP program. तो फिर से आपका MMP की classes 31st December तक over है. आपके पास वीडियोस कब तक अवेलेबल रहेंगे? वीडियोस मेंस तक अवेलेबल रहेंगे. यू कैन वॉच देम. Plus, between pre and mains, you will have some current affairs updates also, so that January से जुलाई तक जो भी अपडेट होगा, 31 दिसंबर को क्लास रुक जाएगी तो उसके बाद के भी तो अपडेट्स करने, जो भी अपडेट होगा that will be done here as part of current affairs advanced classes. This is part of MMP. So, in short, I can say that your entire preparation, including the current affairs updates, are getting taken care of as part of this MMP program. So, in your 1 week would look something like this. You'll have 6 classes. You'll have 3 daily, 3 answer writing tests. Three answer writing sessions, live answer writing sessions. Where these will be 1 hour session. And in case you join the test series component also, तो आपका हर वीक एक टेस्ट भी होगा. Every Sunday you will have a test. ये टेस्ट थोड़े फ्लेक्सिबल रहेंगे, but we would want that you don't use that flexibility. हर संडे लिखते जाओ, so that you are on schedule. ये टेस्ट थोड़े फ्लेक्सिबल रहेंगे. You will be given time till the end of February. February 27 तक, 2027 February तक you will be able to write these tests, but we want you to be very consistent. अगर आप टेस्ट सीरीज कंपोनेंट भी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, क्लासेस से सिंक में टेस्ट चल रही होंगी, प्लीज कीप राइटिंग द टेस्ट अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके, एंड प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, हम प्रीलिम्स के बाद भी कुछ क्लासेस लेंगे. किसकी? जनवरी टू जुलाई में जो करंट अफेयर्स होगा उससे रिलेटेड जो भी अपडेट्स होंगे वो हम करंट अफेयर्स एडवांस में करेंगे. तो ऑफिशियली योर एमएमपी क्लासेस विल गेट ओवर बाय 31st December, बट after preliminary examination you will have current affairs advanced classes for mains also as part of this program. Why am I emphasizing on this? Because last year we did not have this feature. Last year current affairs advanced में आपको अलग से एडमिशन लेना पड़ा था. This year we have included it as part of MMP. Now बात करते हैं, like for more information you can go to our website. You can scan this QR code. It will also take you to the MMP page. मैं आपको briefly एक बार MMP page पे ले जाता हूँ. वहाँ पे you'll be able to see कि classes will be from 5:30 to 8. This is going to go for 19 weeks till the end of December. Then कोर्स का वैलिडिटी यहाँ पे टिल February 2027 लिखा है, बट मैं इसे अभी चेंज करने को बोल के आया हूँ. कोर्स, ये वीडियोस विल बी एक्सेसिबल टू यू टिल मेंस 2027. वो February 2027 तक नहीं रहेगा. कब तक रहेगा? मेंस 2027 तक आपके पास वीडियोस एक्सेसिबल रहेंगी. दिस इज द फी फॉर ऑनलाइन ओनली एमएमपी, जिसमें classes plus live answer writing session plus current affairs advanced component है, will be available in 12,000 rupees plus GST. अगर आप टेस्ट सीरीज भी लेते हैं, because we have around 16 weeks over the next 4 months, you'll have 16 tests, a test every Sunday, some 10 question tests, some 20 question full length test. So if you take that component also, in online mode, you'll have to pay 20,000 rupees plus GST. In case you're taking it offline में, because there are limited number of seats and there are other issues. Offline may we have limited seats. We have only around 100 seats available. The fee for offline OMP classes are 17,000, and in case you take test series, it will be 25,000. So as total 25,000 rupees में you'll be able to get MMP as well as the test series component. और कुछ आप अगर बाकी, I think I have explained you everything already. मैं एक चीज पे और emphasize करना चाहता हूँ कि इस बार ethics will be taken by Atul Garg sir. Like our team is mostly the same, but one place where we're bringing some change is your ethics portion will be taken by Atul Garg sir. Atul Garg sir is one of the first teachers of ethics out there. उन्होंने 2013 में जब ethics पहली बार इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था, तब से पढ़ाना शुरू किया था. He is the best teacher for ethics there. मतलब मैं जनरली जब बच्चों को रिकमेंड करता था कि जो बच्चे पूछते सर एथिक्स कैसे पढ़े, कहाँ से पढ़े, राइट फ्रॉम 2015-16 जब मैंने पढ़ाना शुरू किया, मैं 2 ही टीचर्स के नाम लेता था और उनमें से एक अतुल गर्ग सर होते थे. अतुल गर्ग सर इज एक्सीलेंट. तो otherwise your GS3 will be taken by me, GS2 will be taken by बाबू सर. GS2 में पॉलिटी गवर्नेंस will be taken by बाबू सर. IR थोड़ा करंट अफेयर सेंट्रिक होता है तो मेरे पास ही है. GS4 will be taken by अतुल सर. एथिक्स विल बी टेकन बाय अतुल सर. GS1 में हिस्ट्री ज्योग्राफी सोसाइटी में हमारे पास 3-4 अलग अलग टीचर हैं, इंक्लूडिंग निखिल सर, विशाल सर फॉर हिस्ट्री, साहिल सर फॉर सोसाइटी, रुचिर सर फॉर ज्योग्राफी, एंड फाइनली फॉर essay we'll have SN Chakravarti sir. So we have a team of teachers who are like well experienced, who have been teaching for many years now and who have run this course in the past also. With in addition, what? Atul Garg sir. Who? Atul Garg sir. Atul Garg sir will ensure that अब MMP प्रोग्राम में कहीं दूर दूर तक कोई लिमिटेशन, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहेगा. तो दिस इज इट. ऑनलाइन यू कैन ज्वाइन व्हेनेवर यू वांट, बट अगर आपको ऑफलाइन एडमिशन लेना है प्लीज जल्दी ले लीजिए, उसमें सीट्स का थोड़ा सा शॉर्टेज है. एंड फॉर अदर डिटेल्स यू कैन visit us, you can give us a call, you can write a mail to us. So to level up your chances of getting selected in your examination, come and join Level Up IAS. Thank you.